Get great tasting water anywhere with Brita filtered water bottle filter replacements. Switch to Brita and you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic bottles a year. Reduce chlorine, taste and odor, and more found in tap water with every sip. Replace your water bottle filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months and enjoy great tasting, filtered water in minutes. It's the convenient way to stay hydrated at home or on the go. BPA-free water filter is compatible with all Brita filtering water bottles, 16.9 ounces water bottle. See certifications. Brita water filter bottle replacement filters fit all Brita hard-sided and sport water bottles. These filters are BPA-free and help reduce chlorine taste and odor commonly found in tap water to deliver great tasting water every time. One filter can replace 300 standard 16.9-ounce plastic bottles, resulting in less money spent and less plastic waste. For optimum performance, filter should be replaced every 40 gallons or every 2 months, whichever comes first. Use Brita for better water, a better world, and better value. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy, good choice. This is kind of a duplicate review because I bought the bottle and I bought replacement filters for the Brita 20-ounce premium filtering water bottle with filter for my daughter as a Christmas present. I did review the bottle and here's the review for the filters. When visiting her last week, she had to show how she used it, raved about how convenient and how wonderful it was to have good tasting water that she can filter out the junk and have good water anytime she wants. The most important thing was that she didn't need a separate container. She loved the fact that there are replacement filters that can be bought for a reasonable price. Score. Overall, it's a great buy for her. Thank you for this.